Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video just to motivate me to continue sharing videos with you guys for free. If you're looking to download stuff, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. You can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to get the stuff that you'll be looking for you on your behalf. Okay, so let's get into today's quick and short video. So the previous video I showed you where you can actually get free indicators, free forex robot systems and stuff like that. Basically, you can go to the blogs. We try to get the forex robots that you guys request, the robots and systems and indicators that you guys are being sold, and we try and share them with you guys for free. We buy some of them are given to us, some of them we source, but it's all in the interest of helping each other. Sometimes the prices that these guys are selling this stuff for is not affordable for everybody. But anyway, so if you go to the blogs, obviously you will find the systems, forex robots, and stuff like that, and you can always request some stuff. And I said you can also go to the MT4, MT5 code base. Basically, go and watch that previous video. Another resource that you can actually use that I've used previously, where you can find free forex robots indicators, is so I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. It feels like it's from Malaysia or some Asian country like that. But here you'll find that people are also always sharing new stuff, forex robots, indicators, systems, things that you guys do not want to pay for. So maybe that's why I said the website sounds like it's from Asia or something like that, because of the language, but it doesn't mean that you cannot find what you're looking for. You can always find the stuff that you are looking for, because it's also in English. Sometimes it gives that funny language, but you can always find it in English. So let's see what we can find here. So you can find people requesting forex robots and people sharing forex robots systems and stuff like that. And you'll notice that some of the people that are selling you forex robots and indicators actually get them from here, and then they come to you and they sell you those things for $100, $50, and stuff like that. So yeah, again, this is just in the interest of helping each other to get these systems for free. If you do not have money to invest or join those VIP groups and stuff like that, if you can afford to do that, well, it's fine, because uh, you can download some of these systems, but you might want somebody to mentor you on how to actually use them and stuff like that. So go to this website. I'm not affiliated with them. I do not know anybody from here. You can tell I cannot even read whatever language this is. But I found that if you are looking for stuff, if you are looking for things that you want to download, you can easily come to this website, and you can do a quick search. What's a famous system out there? Okay, maybe let's try Super Easy Forex. Super Easy Forex. It's a famous trading system out there. No offense to the guys behind it, but I think it was removed. It probably was removed. Let's try is simplicity. Let's try simplicity. That's the system that they're using. um there there you see it's there, it's there. So what you would probably want to do is you cannot download these things if you are not a member, and it's not, and you don't pay anything to become a member. You see, even if I try to view that image, I cannot. What you need to do is either you can log in with your Twitter or your Facebook, or you can basically sign up and you can get access to this forum. Basically, you cannot download anything without signing up, and it's for free. And you get to interact with other people who are sharing these systems and robots and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm not affiliated with them. So if you go there and somebody steal your money or whatever, um, I'm not affiliated with them. I'm just sharing with you information. If you do not want to pay for Forex systems, Forex robots, and stuff like that, here's another resource that I've used that you can basically also use to download systems, Forex robots, and stuff like that. So yeah, like this video, leave your requests in the comment section below if you have questions, things to add, thoughts, and stuff like that. I enjoy reading your comments. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.